Were you one of the millions of Americans that lost their job during COVID? Maybe you were unable to go to work and your business closed down. Do you have a dream of owning your own business? For those that don't know me, my name's Lauren, aka the Solutionist. I help people to restore and to remaster their credit profile so they can make the big purchases they need to grow. Also, there was millions of Americans who lost their jobs. They lost their livelihood. Have you had a dream of owning your own business? Maybe you have a mission or a purpose in life that you'd like to fulfill. But maybe you can't qualify for a business loan. Or maybe you don't have the cash for the down payment. Whatever the case is, have you thought about owning a business? What if I could tell you that I could help you buy a business using your Rockstar credit? Now you can start seeking your passion. You can create a livelihood and a future and impact for your family. You can take back your life. You can reclaim your hours and live the lifestyle that you've desired on your terms. So if you've lost your job during COVID-19 and dreamed of owning your own business, but you didn't think it was possible because you thought you had to have all of this cash in the bank, it's not true. If you have any questions on how to facilitate this and to buy your own business, please reach out. We are educators. We are advocates. We want to teach you the credit game, including who the players are, the rules, but most importantly, we want you to learn how to win the credit game so that you can have impact and create new streams of income. I hope you found intense value here with me over the last couple minutes. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to Total Solution Trust. You won't want to miss out on the messages we have forthcoming on how to restore and remaster your credit profile to create new streams of income or buy a business. Again, I'm Lauren Dolgiru, aka the Solutionist, here to help you restore and remaster your credit profile so you can make those big purchases you need to grow. Until next time.
I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you.